Look at what we got today. We got a bridge, and there's the waterfall, and the bridge over the waterfall. Don't know what to do with my cup, so it's going to be just awkwardly held in my hand. All right, let me take you on a tour here. So we got the waterfall going over, and we've got the bridge. We're still in construction, but the bridge was installed today. It's starting to get dark. These days are so short right now here in December. Let's see, we got a stream going down to the pond and the waterfall. And you come over, the silo's over here. We are so excited. But if you're looking for a wedding venue with a bridge and a waterfall and a pond, mountain views, there's the mountains. But if you want your waterfall and your bridge, a pond, a stream as a backdrop for your wedding, check us out. We're Lost Pond Wedding Venue near Canyon City, Colorado. And we want to make your dreams come true.